Let us look at the preparation of copper sulfate from the base copper oxide. Black copper oxide is added to a beaker containing dilute sulfuric acid solution. The copper oxide is added in excess to ensure that all the acid has been neutralized. The mixture is now filtered to remove the unreacted copper oxide. The solution of copper sulfate is now condensed by heating. The hot solution is now left for several days. Blue copper sulfate crystals slowly form. This process is known as crystallization. The reaction occurring in this process is a base plus an acid forms salt and water. Question: what salts will be formed in each of the reactions shown? Answer: zinc hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride. Calcium oxide reacts with nitric acid to form calcium nitrate. In both cases, water is also formed. We call this type of reaction a neutralization.